Army vet, now a personal trainer, is celebrating with a special workout.
Health reporter registered nurse Allie Gorman tried it out, and she joins us at the Action News Big Board with that story. How was it, Allie?
Hey guys, well, I have to admit I was having flashbacks to my time in the military with this workout. Erica Webster served 8 years in the Army. She says it molded her into the person she is today, and it also shaped how she helps others get fit.
After each completed round, you have to yell out America.
It's a workout packed with patriotism, run by veteran Erica Webster, now the owner of Dub Fitness in King of Prussia. Webster served 8 years active duty in the Army. She joined right out of high school.
September 11th happened when I was a sophomore, and the emotion and the feeling that I felt at that moment, I just knew that it was something that I need to do to serve my country. Keep those elbows back if you can.
Now she incorporates her military training into her fitness programs. This themed workout includes a grueling 19-minute, 18-second circuit, 11 reps of each exercise, in honor of the first Veterans Day, called Armistice Day, 11/11/1918.
After Iron Mics, you have chain breakers.
Many of the moves come straight from the armed forces.
Things like army crawlers, which is just bringing your knees to your elbows, but it's like you're low crawling on the ground, you know, under enemy combat fire or something.
Webster also stresses discipline, focusing on form.
It's not quantity, it's quality of the workout, and we really feel that because, as Erica says, it's a good sore, and if you're sore, then you did it right.
And if you're a regular at Dub Fitness, just like in the military, every 90 days, you'll do a physical readiness test.
This way they can gauge how they're doing.
In today's class, many say they push themselves harder in honor of all who have served and leave feeling stronger.
Well, when I got here this morning, I felt very tired, had no energy. Now I actually feel like I conquered the world.
And Webster is also leading a free workout tonight with Philly team Red, White, and Blue. It's a WOD with Warriors, giving civilians the opportunity to sweat with a vet. It's tonight at 6:30 at the top of the front of the Art Museum steps. And Action News will be back right after break.